what we have here is a pretty poor looking foyer door, and what the problem is that this top bolt here is missing. So this is called a flush bolt. I like to call it a bitch bolt because it can be a real bitch of a thing to fit sometimes. So I thought I might do a little quick video and show you on how I fit it. So I'll start off by just removing all the refuse. Looks like it might be a fairly clean install. I don't know what that is. Alright. Part of the bolt. The main thing. Then we have the nuts and bolts and screws. Okay, so the way it works is that when you push this down, this goes up, like so. You screw this one in here, so that would be the locked position, that would be the unlocked position. This length of this bolt is way too big, so I'm going to have to trim it. Going there, so that will be locked, unlocked. So I want it to clear the door, so trim that through. Okay. Chop, chop. Tightening nut on it. I don't think I've cleaned up my thread enough. Clean it a little bit more. Add the cleaner. That's good, and it will sink in about 25-30 mil, so I'm happy with that. There's a childcare across the road, and I can hear the crying kids. Right, so we have 4 screws. 2 big and 2 small. These will be our 2 small. Let's put them in. This is the bit you don't want to mess up. Tight. Alright, the tricky bit. So I have to put this down into the door, bring it up, through that right angle that has a hole in it as a guide. That's my longest position. That's tight. Here we go. If you drop it, you're fired. Come on, play nice. Play nice. Okay. I'm using the handle just to get it in, making sure I get it through that. Okay, we're in the right spot. So I've got it through that bracket. I can feel it protruding through the top here. Now, before the wind blows, I need to get this screw in the right spot. And they feel like the wrong screws. How could they be the wrong screws? No, they're right. Nope, they're wrong. Okay, looks like I have the screws back to front. Got one screw to hold it. Okay. I've been given the wrong screws. Take this one out. Okay. Alright, we're definitely good there. Oh, there goes the screw. Here's even the right thread. Ah, yeah, they are. They are good. Right, let's try that again. Put my plate on. Gotta hold it right in the right spot. Come on. Why is that being difficult? Okay, so I can feel the bolt moving. Just making sure it's in there. Yep, it's in there. Popping the bolt out. Yep. It's working. Holding the door. Beautiful. Alright. That's a flush bolt being fitted. Also known as a bitch bolt, but we call them flush bolts. You'll find them on our website. And yeah, basically that's what it is. You pull the lever, pops out there, and that's it. Alright, thanks for watching.